In today's video, I want to be giving you a little tips on how to go viral on YouTube and what to avoid. There are some certain things you will be doing and you think you are doing it right, but it is killing your channel, but you don't know. Sometimes you might think you are doing the right thing, but it's absolutely wrong. Firstly, there was a mistake I made when I was building my channel. I was uploading just shorts only without uploading videos. Yes, it's good to post shorts, yes, because shorts gives your YouTube visibility. Your short gives you the 1000 subscribers that you need faster. Like when I created this my channel, I got 1000 subscribers in less than a week, and it was the work of short. So but later I discovered that it has an effect, because when you grow your page with when you grow your YouTube channel with just shorts, when you upload videos, when you upload long videos, you will see that you are not getting views on your long videos. That is what, because the audience you have are audience that are interested in shorts only. So that's why you need to balance it. When you post shorts, you make sure you post videos also. You post long videos. And to my greatest surprise, do you know that YouTube don't value shorts that much? What gives you the right audience you need is videos. And when making videos, you try to put videos that are impactful, video that will keep people watching. Because the more people stay back and watch, is the more YouTube sees your video as something relevant, and that is when they push it to people. That is when they push it to more audience. That is when algorithms start working for you. Don't worry, one of my videos these days, I'm going to emphasize on algorithm. I'm going to teach you about algorithm. I'm going to tell you something about algorithm. So now, another problem that new YouTubers have is sometimes when they post videos, they rush and start sharing the video. No, don't rush to start sharing your videos immediately you post them. Give YouTube time to distribute that video by themselves. Give YouTube time. They will distribute that video themselves. Then you can share later. Because sometimes when you upload video, you think that you'll be like, this video is not moving, this one. You rush, you delete it. Don't delete that video. Video that did not pick today might pick tomorrow. So that is how this game works. So this is all I can tell you for now. So I have a lot to share, but I hope this one will be helpful to you. So try to balance the equation. When you're growing your channel, don't focus on shorts only. Shorts is good, yeah, but when posting shorts, post videos also, so that you can balance the whole thing, so that when you get that subscribers, you won't be struggling to get views on your videos. Thank you for watching. Please, if you find this video helpful, comment your thoughts, share. God bless you. Next time I'll be giving you more tips on what to do, and I'll be here to guide you on how to grow your YouTube channel.